Welcome to Automatica 2025. We as Delta Electronic, we showcase here at our booth our smart digital factory solution. So let's have a look at our booth. So here is where everything comes together: robotics, AI and application. So let's explore more.
It all starts with our DC-8 cobots in combination with the feeding system from Agile, doing vision-based picking of scattered parts. Next up is our DC-20 with a pick-and-place solution and a conveyor belt.
This is the D-Bot MAR, our first ever AMR from Delta Electronics. Fully autonomous, up to 500 kilo payload, and even recharges wirelessly, and of course ready for VDA 50/50.
So for this demo, the DC-6 will be moving the item into the servo press, and once the servo press is done pressing, it will retrieve the item from the load cell back to the target position.
And for the first time, we're showing a robotic welding solution together with our industry partner FSK.
Alright, this one's our Cognibot kit, our voice and vision enabled AI kit. It listens, adapts and responds in real time. How are you?
Oh, I feel shy in front of all these people.
This one's our brand new D-Bot Dynamic Duo, a mobile cobot system that undocks, works and moves completely cable-free. Here is where the robotics meets the digital world. With NVIDIA Omniverse and i6 Sim, we are able to showcase our solution in the digital world.
And to keep all of this connected, we use the VT SCADA software. We're showing live energy usage, dashboards and insights all in one platform.
And here's our SCARA robot, fast, compact and perfect for high-speed assembly, powered by our AX8 motion controller.
So this is Delta Electronic at Automatica 2025. Follow us to know more for your smart factory solutions.